Yeah, Apertus, a fully open, transparent, multilingual language model is released today. It's the 2nd September of 2025. And I'm excited because Apertus is a Swiss LLM model. And I'm from Switzerland. That's why I'm super excited. So let's dive into the news. Apertus, a fully open, transparent, multilingual language model, EPFL, ETH Zurich, and Swiss National Supercomputer Center. So EPFL and ETH Zurich, just for context, are the MIT of Switzerland, and the Swiss National Supercomputer Center, they run a supercomputer cluster in southern Switzerland, which they used also to train that model. Released Apertus today, Switzerland's first large language open multilingual language model, a milestone in generative AI for transparency and diversity. So that's quite news. Let's quickly go through it. I won't read the whole news. You can do it yourself. In brief, again, these organizations published the LLM. As a foundational technology, Apertus enables innovation and strengthens AI expertise across research, society, and industry by allowing others to build upon it. Apertus is currently available through strategic partner Swisscom. Swisscom is a Swiss telecommunication provider, the AI platform Hugging Face, and the public AI network. So yeah, it seems to be a new foundational model. It comes with an 8 billion parameter and 77 billion parameter model, trained on 50 trillion tokens across more than 1,000 languages. 40% of the data is non-English. Apertus includes many languages that have so far been underrepresented in LLMs, such as Swiss German, very cool, Romansh, which is the 4th language in Switzerland, and many others. So I found on a Swiss newspaper an interesting table just in comparison how open and how transparent the Apertus is compared to other open source models. And here we are. So the Swiss SSL model, as I said, 8 and 70 billion parameters, weights, open, inference open, training code, all open. What I think and I really is impressive, it's the whole training data is available, and the ETH and EPFL are committed to reproducible pipelines. So basically, if I have access to enough GPU, can recreate the large language model myself and obviously add my own custom data if that makes sense for a certain use case. License is Apache 2.0, which is very, very permissive. So this is very nice for custom application and even make money out of it. And it's also planned to follow the EU AI Act 53 compliance. So I'm not familiar with that, but it seems to be interesting that it follows the latest compliance regulations as part of the release. And yeah, so Llama is also open source, Mistral also open source, DeepSeek also. But if you then look really into it, parts of the stuff is only partially disclosed. So yeah, this is definitely a big news for the AI community to go that route. And I'm excited to see that happening. By the way, if you want to try it out, it's not yet available on Apertus, on Ollama, the Apertus model. I hope they will publish it also on Ollama, so you can try it on your local machine. But it's available through publicai.co. I will also add the link to the show notes. Here you can simply try it out, and I haven't played around roughly an hour or so. It's certainly not as powerful as the big models of let's say OpenAI or Claude, but it's still very impressive and also crazy fast if you see. Not sure which version they run here. I would think of the 7 billion, but yeah, it's quite interesting also for the translation use cases, for example. And obviously it's also supporting the Swiss dialects in here, which is quite nice. yeah, again, if you want to start it, they have this the Hugging Face landing page. You can find all the models to download, and you can build on top of it. I quickly want to cover the story because, yeah, it's Swiss. I'm from Switzerland. I'm excited. So Switzerland is back in the AI game. I haven't seen any stats yet, to be honest, how it compares to other models. But anyway, it's out now. Try it out yourself. And if you like content like that, please consider subscribing the channel. And until then, see you in the next one.